In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Warzone on PC and laptop. Start by heading to the Battle.net website. I'll include a link in the description. Next, click the Download Battle.net button at the top. The Battle.net app should automatically begin to download. If it doesn't, then click the Try Again button. Go to the folder that the Battle.net setup file saved to. Then double-click on the application to run it. Click Yes when asked to allow Battle.net to make changes. Click the Change button if you want to change where Battle.net will download to. Uncheck the Launch Battle.net on Startup box if you like. If left checked, then the Battle.net application will open whenever you start your computer. Click Continue, then wait for the Battle.net application to install. This may take a while. When done, the Battle.net window should automatically open, or you may need to select it from the taskbar. Use the drop menu to set your region, then click Done. Log into your Battle.net account using your email address or use one of the options below. If you don't have an account, then click the Create a free Battle.net account text at the bottom. Click Done if asked if you want to scan for games, then click Continue. Close any pop-ups that show up, then head to the top and select Games. Select Activision from the side, then select Call of Duty. It should just say Call of Duty with nothing at the end. Now, you need to click the Install button. Yours may say Play for free instead. If you want to change where Warzone installs to, then click the Change Folder text. Otherwise, adjust the other settings as you like, then click Continue. Here you choose what files you install. Removing some options will save some room on your computer as less will need to be installed. If you just want Warzone, then uncheck everything, leaving just Warzone selected. Click the Start Install button when you're happy. Wait for Warzone to download and install. This may take a few hours. Once done, click Play and you will now have downloaded Warzone on PC or laptop. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.